your dreams at various stages of life without compromising on your current needs is a challenging task. Properly channelizing the financial resources is the best way to overcome this. Tata AIA Life Insurance Gold Income Plan helps to meet tomorrow's requirements along with protecting your loved ones. Will this plan help to fulfill all your dreams without compromises? This video will figure out the answer by analyzing the plan in depth. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Tata AIA Gold Income Plan is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan. Let us review its features, maturity benefit, death benefit, advantages and disadvantages. Later we shall compute the returns for this plan and compare it with other investments. First, let us discuss the features of Tata AIA Gold Income Plan. The premium paying term is 5 or 12 years for a policy term of 12 or 15 years. Guaranteed maturity benefit at the end of policy term. Guaranteed income benefit for 10 or 15 years. The higher the premium paying term, the higher the guaranteed income, starting at 12% of basic sum assured. Increasing income with income boosters of 5% to 10% on guaranteed income based on the premium amount, premium paying term and income term chosen. Riders and tax benefits are also available. Now let us look at the benefits we get under Tata AIA Gold Income Plan. Death benefit: on the death of the life assured during the policy term, provided the policy is in force, the sum assured on death shall be payable to the nominee. The sum assured on death shall be the highest of the following: 11 times of annualized premium, 105% of total premiums paid up to the date of death, guaranteed sum assured on maturity, the absolute amount assured to be paid on death. In case of death of life insured post maturity, the outstanding income payments as scheduled shall be made to the nominee. Maturity benefit: on maturity of the policy, provided the policy is in force, 100% of basic sum assured will be paid as lump sum. Additionally, a guaranteed income of 12% of basic sum assured shall commence from the end of the year following maturity, which increases annually, that is compounding increase by an income booster. The income booster percentage will depend on the premium amount, premium paying term and income term chosen by the policyholder at the inception of the policy. Now let us discuss the advantages and disadvantages of Tata AIA Gold Income Plan. Advantages: guaranteed maturity benefit and income benefit. Increasing income benefit year after year is an added advantage. Option to pay the premiums either annually, half-yearly, quarterly and monthly mode is available in Tata AIA Gold Income Plan. Flexibility to enhance your cover by adding the optional riders by paying an additional rider premium. Policy loan is available to the maximum of 80% of surrender value, provided the policy occurs surrender value. Disadvantages of Tata AIA Gold Income Plan: any change in the basic sum assured is not allowed post inception of Tata AIA Gold Income Policy. Staggered income benefits will not help to meet big ticket expenses. The basic sum assured is too low. Assured benefits under Tata AIA Gold Income Plan may look attractive to you. The maturity benefit and the income benefit seems to be a helping hand for your mid and short term goals. But we need to analyze the time value of money. This can be done by calculating the internal rate of return (IRR) for this plan. In the Tata AIA Gold Income Policy brochure, an example is worked out to explain the working of the policy with detailed figures. A 35-year-old male opts for Tata AIA Life Insurance Gold Income Plan for a policy term of 12 years, premium paying term of 5 years, guaranteed income for 10 years and pays an annualized premium of Rs 1 lakh. The basic sum assured is 3,29,000. If he pays premium for the first 5 years, he would be receiving the maturity benefit at the end of 12th year. The income benefit starts at the end of 13th year and continues for the next 10 years. The income benefit is 12% of basic sum assured. The income benefit booster for this illustration is 9%. The IRR for this cash flow is 4.61%. Though you may receive regular benefits, the return in the end is not convincing for a long-term investment. The IRR under Tata AIA is lower than economic inflation rate. This rate will not help you in achieving your dreams. Tata AIA Gold Income Plan is not beneficial in terms of return and the sum assured is too low. The same annual premium as seen in the illustration could be utilized in a better way to protect your dreams. Let us compute what would be the return if we invest the same 1 lakh in other products. The annual premium is 1 lakh and be split into two parts. One portion is to protect your life and the other one is to invest. In the earlier illustration, the death benefit is 11 lakh. Under pure term policy, the premium for the same would be just 9,700. The premium paying term is 5 years and the policy term is 12 years. In the first 5 years after paying the premium for life cover, the balance is invested in ELSS fund. The accumulated corpus from the ELSS fund at the end of 12 years could be utilized for withdrawal. That is similar to Tata AIA income benefit, you can withdraw annually. The accumulated corpus under ELSS fund is invested in a safe instrument yielding 6% interest per annum. The ELSS fund at the end of 12 years would be around 14.2 lakhs. This is subject to capital gains tax. Please refer the table for tax calculation. The post-tax value of 13.33 lakhs is invested at 6% return instrument for annual withdrawal. Here we have assumed the same amount for annual withdrawal for easy comparison. Even after withdrawing annually for 10 years, you will be left with a corpus of 11 lakhs. The IRR calculation for the above cash flow is 8.57%. This rate is higher than the inflation rate. Moreover, for comparison purpose, we have staggered the benefit. If you wish, you can utilize the accumulated corpus for any of your goals as a lump sum amount. In terms of returns and liquidity, the Tata AIA Gold Income Plan does not suit anyone who envisage their dreams. We have come to the end part of the review. Final verdict on Tata AIA Gold Income Plan. Like many policies in the bazaar, Tata AIA Gold Income Plan offers life cover, maturity benefit and income benefit. Though it may offer all these benefits, none of the benefits meets the purpose. The life cover is too low to meet the family's basic needs. The maturity benefit is also too low to meet any of the goals. The income benefit is staggered and many times it ends up in discretionary expenses. Please beware of insurance agents who try to sell you these type of policies for their high agent commission. Guaranteed benefit and regular income is a sales pitch for Tata AIA Gold Income Plan. Be cautious and work out the IRR for the cash flow before making a decision. Alternatively, pure term life insurance with affordable premiums will help to protect your family's dream. Select an investment product based on your dreams and do not mix investment with life insurance. A detailed blog post on Tata AIA Gold Income Plan is available in our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.